Hi. In this short video, we hope to show you the difference and the unique features inside of the administrative account. So let's take a look at the email that you probably received that shows you that you have a license to Learning Blade. You'll notice that there's an administrative account and a teacher account. We're about to log in and show you the administrative account, but the major difference is that the administrator can do three things the teacher cannot. The administrator can upload CSV files of students. The administrator can upload CSV files or create new staff. And the administrator can also change the number of attempts that students can have to answer lessons and activities in Learning Blade for an improved score. Let's log in and take a look. So you'll log in as an administrator in Learning Blade. And once you've logged in, you'll notice there's actually an extra tab from the teacher login, and it says Staff Menu. This is where, if you have colleagues who like to share Learning Blade with, you could click the Create Staff button and create a new staff account. A note about Learning Blade: if your school has a license to Learning Blade, it is for as many teachers as you'd like to share it with. Because there's English, math, social studies, science, computer science lessons in here, we feel that it does fit in multiple classrooms, and we encourage you to create more staff and share it appropriately. Once you've created more staff or shared out staff, there's some other features in Learning Blade. Some schools, and we've been showing you how to use the student class sign-up code, but some schools do opt for the upload of CSV files. The way you would do that is you would click on the Students tab, and then the white or the green circle here that says Import Records. You'll notice that there is a sample file. For you to upload a CSV file, it needs to be in the identical format as our sample file. So I will open that to show that for you, what it needs to look like. Once you've opened the sample file, you'll notice that it's pretty simple. You just need the first name, last name, username, and password, as well as grade for the student. The student ID is actually optional. So once you've filled that out, you can then go on and create the upload for your whole school. You would save the file as a particular name, and then you would get back into uploading that file when you would choose it here. That's how you would upload a CSV file. So that's a unique feature for the administrator. One other unique feature is that the administrator does have what we call a big brother opportunities to look at the whole school, not just a class. So the administrator can click on the Resources tab, click on School Classes Report, and get a report on every teacher in that school and who's using Learning Blade effectively, as well as every student. So the administrator does have the ability to see students and which lessons how many lessons they've completed. And finally, I'd like to just show you that under this wrench and pencil feature is where an administrator can change the number of activity attempts. The default setting in Learning Blade is 3 attempts. What that means is that a student in Learning Blade can take a lesson as many times as they would like, but they only have 3 chances to raise their score. After that third chance, the system will no longer record their highest score. Some schools might choose to set this to only 1 attempt. You've got to do your best on your first try. Some schools want an unlimited number of attempts to raise your score. This is a school-wide setting. So once it's changed by the administrator for one school, or for changed here, it's changed for the entire school. That's a brief review of the different features inside of the administrative account in Learning Blade. As well, if you ever have any questions, we do love for you to contact us, info@learningblade, but please use these 2 emails if you have any questions. Thank you for seeing this video, and we hope you enjoy using Learning Blade to enrich STEM in your classroom.